Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate your employee card at an ATM, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare your card for immediate use. Step 1. Locate an ATM that belongs to your employer's partner bank network or an ATM that accepts your card's network, Visa, MasterCard, etc. Check your employee card documentation for a list of compatible ATMs. Step 2. Approach the ATM and ensure you have your employee card and the PIN that was provided to you by your employer or card issuer. If you haven't received a PIN yet, you may need to activate online or by phone first. Step 3. Insert your employee card into the ATM card slot. Make sure the card is facing the correct direction, typically with the chip facing up and entering first. Step 4. When prompted by the ATM screen, enter your 4-digit PIN using the ATM keypad. Cover the keypad with your hand for security while entering your PIN. Step 5. Select your preferred language from the options displayed on the screen. The ATM will then present you with a menu of available transactions. Step 6. Look for an option that says Activate Card, First Time Use, or simply Check Balance. Selecting any transaction option, including checking your balance, may automatically activate your card. Step 7. Complete the activation by following any additional prompts on the screen. Some ATMs may ask you to verify your identity or confirm your contact information. Step 8. Once the transaction is complete, remove your employee card from the ATM when prompted. Your card should now be fully activated and ready for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and other transactions. Test it by making a small purchase to confirm activation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.